test recording then for this Canon Legera 32 times optical zoom HD CMOS HFR506 with a little battery pack on the back to a little power supply on the back to get it going, and it does work, and I'm hoping that the audio is coming out okay. And the zoom, I'm afraid we're in the kitchen on the bench, but anyway, it looks like it's got a pretty good zoom, and it's a terrible feature to be recording my grubby kitchen, but it's a hell of a, let's see if we can get it to try and maintain recording on this rig. I mean, it is a really basic setup, but yeah, that's okay, that's going. So we go outside onto the cars in the car park. My windows are filthy. That seems to be working all right.